Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the latest buzz surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This compact drone series has consistently redefined innovation and ease of use, offering incredible features that have cemented its status as a favorite among both casual users and professional creators. With the latest leaks and rumors about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, it seems DJI is poised to revolutionize the drone industry once again. Let's break down everything we know about this highly anticipated drone, including its potential new features, upgrades, and release date. A game-changing drone legacy. The DJI Mini series has been a pioneer in the world of compact drones, setting the standard for ultralight designs. Weighing under 250 g, these drones have transformed aerial photography and videography by bypassing FAA registration requirements. This innovation made professional-grade drones accessible to a wider audience, from hobbyists to professional filmmakers. Known for their high-resolution cameras, intelligent flight modes, and portability, the DJI Mini series has become a must-have tool for creators. Enter the DJI Mini 5 Pro, which is rumored to bring a significant leap forward in both technology and design. According to leaks from trusted sources in the drone community, this fifth-generation drone could hit the market by mid-2025. Let's delve into the enhancements and features that have enthusiasts buzzing with anticipation. Cutting-edge features and upgrades. Advanced sensor technology. One of the standout rumors is the inclusion of a LiDAR sensor, a feature borrowed from DJI's high-end models. This cutting-edge technology promises unparalleled object tracking precision, making it an invaluable tool for filmmakers, especially those capturing fast-moving subjects. Enhanced tracking capabilities could redefine how creators approach dynamic environments. Redesigned vented motors. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature redesigned vented motors, which promise improved stability, better wind resistance, and enhanced cooling. These upgrades not only boost the drone's overall performance but also extend its lifespan, making it a reliable companion for long-term use. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Safety is a cornerstone of DJI's innovation, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include additional front-facing obstacle sensors. These sensors, combined with LiDAR technology, are expected to offer superior obstacle detection and navigation. This ensures safer flights, allowing users to focus on capturing stunning visuals without the stress of potential collisions. Enhanced AI and intelligent features. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to take artificial intelligence to the next level. With advanced AI capabilities, it could follow fast-moving subjects with remarkable accuracy. Whether you're filming action sports or wildlife, this drone is poised to excel in capturing high-energy, dynamic scenes with ease. 5G connectivity for real-time control. Connectivity is another area where the Mini 5 Pro is expected to shine. Rumors suggest the inclusion of 5G technology, which would deliver a smoother, more responsive live feed. This ensures that creators can rely on real-time visuals without lag, a feature that's invaluable for professional-grade shoots. Extended flight time and lightweight design. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the extended flight time. Leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro could achieve up to 40 minutes of flight per charge, surpassing its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. This improvement allows users to capture more content without frequent interruptions to swap batteries. Despite incorporating these advanced features, DJI is rumored to have maintained the drone's lightweight design, keeping it under 250 g. This achievement ensures compliance with regulatory requirements while offering a feature-rich experience. Release timeline and price. While DJI hasn't confirmed an exact release date, reliable sources indicate a mid-2025 launch. This timeline gives DJI ample time to refine its features and surprise us with additional innovations. As for pricing, it's speculated to start at a competitive point, given its advanced capabilities, making it an attractive option for a wide range of users. What to expect from the Mini 5 Pro? The DJI Mini series has always prioritized delivering meaningful enhancements while maintaining user-friendly designs. The Mini 5 Pro seems poised to elevate this philosophy further, offering improved tracking and obstacle avoidance features, extended flight times for uninterrupted content creation, enhanced AI and connectivity for seamless user experiences. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional filmmaker, the Mini 5 Pro promises to be a versatile and indispensable tool. Share your thoughts. What features are you most excited about in the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Are there specific upgrades you'd like to see? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates on tech innovations. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.